Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Students, today I am going to tell you a very interesting fact about bread and this wooden board. This is bread and this is a wooden board. Both these things are quite different from one another. You are quite knowing that is bread is edible and wooden board is used for cutting the things, vegetables, fruits, etc. Moreover, it is also used for keeping the things on them, right? Both these are quite different from one another. We can never think that both things, that is, both bread as well as wooden board, are same things. But today I'll tell you a very important fact about the bread and the wooden board. The bread as well as wooden board are composed of the same three elements, and these elements are carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. That is, bread is also made up of the three elements carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. Moreover, wooden board is also made up of the three elements, that is carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. Now, the question arises, that is, when the elements are same, why the both things are quite different from one another? So the point of difference lies in the fact that the percentage of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen in bread is different, and in the wooden board it is different. One thing, that is the percentage of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen in both bread and the wooden board are different. And the second point of difference lies is that they are, that is carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen are arranged in the bread in the different way, and they are arranged in the wooden board in the different way. These things make them quite different from one another. I'm sure that you must have understood it well and you must have enjoyed this thing, and that is both of these things, that is bread and wooden um, plate or wooden cutter or wooden board, all are composed of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen, but the percentage of the carbon, hydrogen, oxygen is quite different in both these uh, bread and the wooden board, and moreover the way they are arranged, that the style of arrangement of these elements is also different, which makes them quite different.